Hey, what's up, everybody? We are live. How you doing? How you doing? We are going. How's your evening tonight, everybody? Got my small pop of the night, my Coke Zero. Just finishing up my dinner. I got some chicken breast, which I haven't got through. I had boiled vegetables, sweet potato fries, and chicken breast for dinner. I did take a quick picture just so I could show you guys, in case you're curious. That was what it looked like anyways. Oh my God, so good. Hey, my favorite AI, how you doing? Jose in the house, what's up? Miss K, Masashi in the vertical stream, Force Fed, Drew 69 Malibu, As I Fly, Glass Hopper, Ryan Entourage, Jaded, Zero Profits, Miss K again, Kyle Shees, Miss K again. Here we go. Everybody's here to start the night off. It's Sunday night. We are doing 2 giveaways tonight, guys. So we got the 25K Flex Eval we're going to be giving away. And we got the 50K Lucid Pro to give away from the Instagram and X campaign. So if you guys are, last minute chance there to get into the 50K giveaway, you just got to head over to the Discord, go into the giveaways channel, and then there's instructions there on what to do. So let's see here, giveaway channel right here. So here it is right here. Lucid Pro 50K giveaway is live. Follow me on YouTube or subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on X. Follow me on Instagram. Comment funded on the 2 posts. Repost X giveaway. Share the Instagram, post your story, and you'll be entered in on the giveaway. So good luck to whoever did that tonight. I know the list is going to be pretty small. It's going to take me a couple minutes to get through it all to find out exactly who's entered. But looking like we're kind of breaking out of a channel at the moment. Let's just make a little parallel channel here. It kind of looks like it right there. Yeah, it looks pretty clean there. So let's see. Maybe we're gonna have to wait for a little bit of a push, and then if we pull back down here to this VWAP, find some support, maybe we can trade it back to the highs there. Hey, Jane Bond, how you doing? That's Lifestyle of the Rich and Famous type meal? It's pretty basic, bro. Chicken breast, steamed broccoli, cauliflower, and pepper. And then I took a little soy sauce, avocado oil, hoisin sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, fried that down a little bit so it's like a little more coagulated, and then I just drizzle a little bit on top of the veggies, sweet potato fries, and chicken breast with jerk chicken seasoning. Your long MNQ 28866. Jose, nice. Hectron, how you doing, buddy? Love the screensaver. You ain't about that life. All good, bro. What up? FYI, Tokyo market is closed today. Yeah, I heard that. I popped in on a stream. I forget what it was earlier, but somebody had mentioned that. So, Angia, good morning. It's the presentation, I guess. Yeah, it did look pretty good. I got like the 2 chicken breasts, and then the veggies and the sweet potato fries. I even slightly burnt the sweet potato fries a little bit. That looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Maybe you might be able to even see it a little more clear. Let's do this. It's a little bit of glare on there, but you get the idea. It was good. It was good. Yeah, so I'm just working on. I just got a bunch of chunks of chicken breast left. I was running out of time, so I downed all the veggies and the sweet potato. So, Kyle, you tired tonight, buddy? Hey, Zero Skills, how you doing? Jose said he's long from 866, eh? Feel like you might be in a little bit high there, bro. 28, 8, 66. Stop loss 28, 692. Okay, well, you got a huge stop anyways. I mean, I do feel pretty bullish, but we're also pretty choppy here, so it's hard to say at the moment. We did find resistance at this channel here. Let's take a look at the higher time frame here. So we've been kind of in this bearish or bullish channel here for some time. I did mark the opening range low and high on the first 15 minutes of the candles of the day. We do have a naked point of control above 29,450. We're kind of we kind of held the low the other session there, so let's hope we don't get all the way back down to 410. That'd be pretty nasty. $29,000 is going to be a pretty key level for us to get to. So I'm not seeing any like clear draws on liquidity at the moment. Let's take a look back here. Sometimes these ones are so far away that we don't actually get to see. So this one's 28,505. 28,505. Did we close below that? Did we close? No, we did not close below 505. So we do have a 1 hour bullish fair value gap at 505. Looks like we have a little one here at 273, but let's just mark out this 505 one for now. Like this. Label this up 1 hour bullish fair value gap. It's got to be green. Way across. I don't know if this can be valid, guys. It's been so long, but it did tap into it there and it tapped into it here, and those both times it held. So it's not a bad one to pay attention to here, this 28,500 area. Hey Tim, how you doing? Force Fed's just trying to make some money. Let's see here. Speaking of Lucid, wasn't Lucid wild last week? I don't know, Yakaway Tube. What do you mean by that? Anyone celebrating Spain FIFA World Win Cup? Oh, they won. Spain won, hey? Oh my God. Celebrating Messi losing. I didn't even know. I haven't seen it. So you've been in this trade since 6:30. I'm using an old ASFX strategy involving EMAs. Oh, interesting, Jose. Well, I wish you luck on that one, buddy. I like, I mean, wide stops are definitely the way to go. Argentina played horribly. No shots on goal for 90-minute regulation time. Really? Wow. That's crazy. Just trying to make some money. I guess I wonder if there was so much money on that that they threw it. No, I'm just joking. I don't think Messi would want to throw that. Excelente. Zach, hey, and today's edition of What's for Dinner? Yes. On today's edition of What's for Dinner on the Market Butcher channel is chicken breasts, veggies, and sweet potato fries. I gotta say, this chicken breast turned out really good. It's like not dry at all. You watched it as well, Angie? Yeah, I missed it. Yeah. Nah. Well, it looks like it's playing out pretty good for Jose right now. 866? 866. Nice rip there. Drake lost 1.5 million. Oh, really? He bet on them? I wonder how much money was lost betting on them. Eh? Seriously. So I've been coming up with a new idea for a video that I'm going to be putting out here pretty soon. I got the title, I got the thumbnail, I got the idea for the video. I just need to get on recording it. So should be a good one. One of those like long-term, what they call evergreen videos. Should be around for a while. So hopefully it turns out good. Hey, Heavy D. How you doing, buddy? I'm hella long gold. Oh, really, Zach? Nice. I hope Spain wins, actually, and they deserve the #1. Oh, good. Yeah, then there you go, Andrea. Reckless and dumb red card. I think if it wasn't for that, they would have hold on to penalties. I missed that, so I'll have to watch the videos online or the replays. Argentina was impressive against England. Didn't show up for this match. Oh. That dude that got the red card is such a baby. Anyways. Hey, Gary, what's up? Thanks, Heavy D. I'm doing pretty good. I'm just trying to get down the last of my protein. I got through the veggies and the sweet potato so fast. But, you know, as you guys know, chicken does take a little bit of chewing. And I had like 2 pretty large breasts. They're like this big. Raphael's in the house. What's up, Raphael Cini? Conor McGregor lost 100K betting on Argentina. Yeah, I was wondering. I'm like, I wonder if they threw it because of everyone just gonna bet that they're gonna win, right? Oh, I wish I was here a little bit earlier. This is looks like a pretty nice setup right here, guys. We held the bottom of the channel, bounced up, pulled back to the point of control, which also made a higher low, and then we're pushing up here. You gotta be careful here at 925, and then potentially at the 950 area. But those could be the 2 resistance areas. We do have a bunch of orders up there at 28,950, and it looks like we got a bunch of orders here at. Bookmap's frozen. I really got to get a new computer one of these days, down the road one of these days. NQ Contract Killer, what's up, bro? How you doing? Wow, gold ripping. Hey, Paul, how are you? Good evening. Well, looks like it's trying to break out. We just took the orders at the 25 area. Just see if this is going to be resistance. We do have a bearish fair value gap at 926, but it looks like they just erased it there. So we have an inverted fair value gap there. But I want to try to take a long here. I do have a I wasn't paying attention, guys, and I got a new 50K daily pro account here, Elite Daily from Top One Futures. It renewed. I forgot that I had it. Anyways, so it renewed. So I got one of these 50Ks here. Yeah, it's pretty whippy NQ market for sure. We've been going up and down and up and down since we opened. We are kind of, I don't know, we haven't really made a new higher high yet, so it's a little bit weird. So BT, by the way, listen song, how you doing? There's a couple ways to enter the giveaway. So one is, I'll bring it up for you guys here. So we do have, we'll be giving away this 50K Lucid Pro account later today. The way to enter on this is one is to subscribe on YouTube. 2 is to follow me on X. 3 is to follow me on Instagram. Comment funded in X and Instagram. Repost it on X. Share it on Instagram. And you'll be entered into that one. And then there's another way to get in on the Sunday giveaway. If you just scroll all the way to the top of this channel here, scroll all the way up, there'll be a pinned comment at the very top here. See this one right here, Market Butcher giveaway. If you click this little link right here, enter this, there'll be a little form to enter. You can fill out this form, and that'll get you entered into tonight's 25K Flex evaluation giveaway. So there, we got 2 giveaways tonight, which is pretty rare for the rest of you guys that already know, but pretty rare for me to be giving away 2 accounts. But hey, Keith, how are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Keith has a 50K account on lock. I can sense it. Nice. Hectron, you bought 2 my funded future accounts. Nice. Okay. Good luck with those. Hopefully you'll pass those. Might be looking to add in this one once a 30-minute candle closes. Okay, Jose. Yeah, it's looking pretty solid right now, and maybe add on a pullback. See how it reacts here at the 900s. We do have a bunch of orders there on the book right now at 900. Looks like 37 contracts there. Let's take a look at the actual NQ book. Some orders kind of just came on up at the 28,960 area. Yeah, I got an extra, like I kind of told Lucid that I wanted to do a special campaign where I promote my Instagram and my X channel. So they gave me a 50K account for that. And then I got the usual 4 Lucid Flex accounts to give away every Sunday of the month here. So while we're doing that, I gotta quickly spend a minute or 2 here and just go through the Instagram post and just see who's all, just sort of gather the names. So I better actually start a new ChatGPT just so I can organize it in there. KKK, let's get over there. So Instagram, home. Check it out. Swiss Chalet. Looks like my mom's having Swiss Chalet for dinner. Check that out. Fries, chicken. I don't know if you guys, maybe you never heard of it. I don't know if it's a Canadian only place, but it's a really good place for chicken and fries and gravy and their buns. Oh, very good dinner. It's been a long time since I had it. I'm getting distracted here though. So let's go to my channel. Profile. Adam, hey, how's it going? You know, how are you tonight? I thought there's somebody else that had a picture that looked just like yours earlier. And I was like, is that the same Adam, but with a different name? Where did I see that? Maybe not. Oh, Glasshopper. I thought Glasshopper looked like yours, kind of. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Bear with me for a minute here, guys. I'm just collecting names for that giveaway. Okay. Notifications. NQ contract killer. Copy. Hey, thank you for that. This is a little bit tedious, actually. There's no real easy way to copy the names. Killer, Stadion, your ghost. Oh, let me see here. Comments. Maybe enter will activate the algorithm. Maybe not. I don't have that set up. Yeah, I have to go to notifications, then comments, and then copy the name. But I got to go even to like the person's profile, or else it won't let me copy the name. So kind of a bit of a pain in the ass, but oh well, we'll get it done here. Let's get the music going here. Didn't we have some new songs the other day? Let's try this guy. I think this one was made by Red. Butcher the Market. There you go. Downtown Julie Brown. Okay, notifications, comments. David Madrid. Lupe. Only a couple more here. Like 3 more. For the Instagram anyways. Okay, comments. Hey, Wilson is gold. How are you doing? Good weekend. Yes, it was. Surprised we're not at 28,000. Yeah, whatever happened to that 28,000, eh, guys? It's coming. It's coming. Docked ops. Docked ops. Okay. Yeah, I think we got one more on Instagram here. Yeah, one more after this. I mean, we are only 800 points away. Clee's in the house. Good evening, Clee. Clee, did you get a chance to enter on the 50K Lucid Pro account? All you got to do is follow my Instagram and my X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9. I thought there was about 12 comments, so maybe I'm missing a little bit here. Okay. All right. It's pretty annoying though, because it shows that there's like, I don't know, 19 comments, but I'm not finding all the names. So what the heck's going on here? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's like missing like 10 comments for some reason. I'm gonna go onto my phone. Maybe it has a little better access there. There we go. What the heck, man? Okay, I found him. So let's see here if I can do it here. comments in there. Okay, I got the rest of the comments here. So Ghost and Q stagnant. Let me see. Okay. Oh. David Madrid, LX. I'm Red's guest. G-U-E-A-T. I'm Red's Guet. What did I miss? What did I miss? Hey, David Madrid, how you doing? NQ on a pullback. Yeah, it seems like it. Just a few minutes ago, I was posting a story and tagged you in. Oh, thank you for that. Just kidding. By the way, it's up. Check out your previous post. Did you post it in the Discord? Or, oh, you the comment. Gotcha. Went long NQ 904, 2 contracts. First TP hit 10 points. Second TP hit 15 points. Made 500. Wow. Nice job. Beautiful trade there, Tim. Do you have any balls left to get you across the finish line, Apple? Like the sandwich. Just dropping in to say hi and see how the market's doing. Have an early morning. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Kay Clee, you have a great night too. Good to see ya. You beach girl, you. Yeah, thanks, Ryan. Ryan's got my back there. What a good wingman. Okay, I'm Red's guest. 11 PPC. 11 PCP 06. Wilson CBC. CBS. Doc Tops I got. Jeff. Paul Vasquez. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, so I think I got everybody on Instagram. Now I'm just going to go over here and double check everyone on X. Hopefully this side's a little bit easier. Wilson, yeah, I'm just working on that right now to try to get that thing going. So there it is. Okay, going to this post. Oh, I got 26 comments on here. Okay, so Well, it's a little easier on X because I can just copy all of them. Okay, let me see. This one had 27 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hey, Sai, am I late to the party? No, we're just getting started here. Did I pronounce your name right? Cali St. Louis fan? Cali Callisto? I don't know what did I say? Is it too late to enter the giveaway? No, you can do it. There's 2 giveaways. One is on, I'm just collecting the names right now. Looks like I got a total of 33 people. 0 PhD, how you doing? Jonathan, how you? Sovereignty in the house too. You're done trading? Up 35.80 in the funded flex 50K first day on that account funded. Wow, Jonathan. What a killer day, dude. How did you do that? You must have been pretty heavy on that push up there, hey? Or did you go long and then you went short and then you went long again, or what? High risk, high reward, baby, on a funded risky man. Yeah. 2 minis long, made most of it. Nice. I made like $80 on one micro in this long right here. And you made like 3,500 more than me. FN Trades, yo, Butcher Gang, what's up? Do you know Top 40 Discord so I can try to DM him on some tips? Nope. You learned my lesson with minis on NQ. Yeah, it can go real fast against you. Like I know that he made some nice money on that, but it could have easily gone the other way and you blow the account. 2K goes away real fast on 2 minis. So hey Baldwin, hey, did you didn't do the drawing yet? No, I haven't. Where are we in the market? Down or up this coming week? I don't really try to predict that far out, Baldwin, but we haven't done the giveaway yet. So my favorite AI, I'm up 1163 for tonight, clocked out because my personal brokerage is glitching with TradingView. Oh, that's no good. That is no good. Right now, I can't really say if we're going to be going higher or lower. We're probably going to 28,000 though, right, guys? Sorry, I watch you often. Think I always miss how to enter the giveaway. There's 2 giveaways tonight, Jonathan. One is if you went on the Discord and you go to the giveaway channel, you scroll to the very top of that message channel. There's a pinned comment at the very top that has a form to sign up for. Once you fill out that form, you'll be entered into the Sunday 25K Lucid Flex evaluation giveaway. And then after that, if you go to in the same giveaway channel, the very bottom comment, there's another way to enter. So here, I'll just bring it up to Discord, a little bit easier here. Okay, so this is the very top of the giveaway channel. See, you can see the giveaway channel here on the left, right? All the way to the top. Welcome to the giveaway channel. So the first thing here, there's this enter here, which is a Google Docs form. So you click that, you'll fill out the form. Once you fill that out, you're entered into the Sunday giveaway. Then what you're going to do is come all the way down to the very bottom. All the way down to the bottom here. And you can see this one here. This is a Lucid Pro 50K giveaway. So subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on X, follow me on Instagram, comment funded, and repost the 2 on each account on X and on Instagram, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway there. So there's 2 giveaways tonight, one 50K Pro account and one 25K Flex. Trading a Tradeify account now, locked out to the morning, made my profit target. Nice. So you locked it out only till the morning though? So you're not trading any more of that account tonight, but it's not like you hit your max daily profit or anything on it. Beef Flu. Hey Chris, how you doing? Good evening. Good to see ya. Thanks for tuning in, buddy. I just hit a $300 win on 10 accounts with that pullback bounce using ES. Nice. So the big contracts on the ES. You're up 2,600, didn't stop and got down to 170. So yeah, you can lose it real fast. Oh yeah. But if you're right, you can really lock in a lot of money with those accounts. Hey. Running on empty. I don't think I had your name on there, did I? Let me just double check here. Running on empty. Running on empty. Thanks for reposting that, Adam and Apple. Appreciate you guys. Sovereignty and 2 others reposted. Thank you. Copy. Apple. Vortex Vibe. Did I get that name? Let's see. Not looking for trades on the top 1 account, but not going to push it. Anything? Gotcha. I did not follow the rules. I was confused too much by social media I don't use. Oh, yeah? Apple, Chris, Glasshopper. Okay, got you guys. Oh, Chris. I don't know if Chris... Was Chris on there? It's definitely not easy to do it this way, guys. Hector. Hector and Angom. Yeah, you did hear your name. I'm just collecting the names off of the off the Instagram and X. Sorry, I'm a little distracted here. I'm falling asleep given my winnings to force. I hate the tag people stuff, usually because nobody wants all that. Just tag 3 people you know anyways, right? I didn't do that on this one though. Semstrad, no, I'm not in gold. I'm watching NQ at the moment, but I'm not in a trade. I'm just trying to go through the posts here to try to find who's done all the follows and stuff. Okay, I got Raphael Cini. Oh, Daramad. Don't think I got that name yet. Looks like I got a couple people on Instagram. I'm gonna have to go back there quick. Daramad. Alex Dawn. Alex the Dawn. That was July 16th. Yep, that's copy. Kyle Shees. Pretty sure I got your name in there already, but we'll just add it there just in case. I enter Discord, it's always giving me troubles. Really? Dave, what time is the regular race be? Usually the regular race we do at at the end of the stream. But I'm gonna try to get this one out of the way. Yeah, Raphael, I'm just going through the X and Instagram grabbing names. So if you guys hear your name, it's just because I'm grabbing it off of there and putting it into the to the giveaway thingy. All right, Baldwin, thank you for entering there. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anybody. MNQ Bull. Jesse Diaz. Angia. I gotta switch up this music though. We're playing this way too long here. Where is let's do this one. You guys getting ready for bed already? Full port 10 minis on yes, really? In the giveaway Google form, I wrote YouTube, wrong name. Should I resubmit? No, it's probably fine. As long as it's pretty close to your actual name, it should be okay. If you entered in the giveaway form, you're in the giveaway. So it depends if you entered in the form. I know, hey, Elevated. They're talking about putting sanctions on our prime minister's investments into the USA, which, by the way, our Canadian prime minister is 91% invested in US stocks out of all his assets. And then they're also talking about putting sanctions on Doug Ford, who's the premier of Ontario. Maybe they'll get these guys into action and we can actually start fighting these fires. Rather than being like, oh, climate change. This is why we have forest fires. No, we had forest fires because we have dry wood and lightning strikes. So let's put the fires out. Red Hill. Puran. Trading game. Okay, we got a total of 40 entries now. Slowly getting the rest of the names here and just going through everybody, making sure I don't miss anybody here. Master Apprentice, Willie Trades Futures. Willie Trades Futures. Control burns of forest. Yeah, definitely. There should be some controlled burning for sure. But lightning strike hard to stop, better than the Paradise guy who started that fire. Oh, is that what happened? Julio Fernandez. There's got to be a better way to do this, guys, because this is like a real pain in the butt to get all the names off of here. Puran, I already got Puran. Coleman Long. Jason Ka. Okay, I think I got to the list there. So I'm just going to do one more quick check on Instagram because I think I did see a couple more people get in there. Yeah, I think it's only like 30 or 40, 30, between 30 and 40 for the 50K. Yeah, so we got one more person from the Instagram here. Raphael Cini, you're the same age as me? You're born in 79? Yeah? Okay, we got Angia. You're a ghost. Slay people. What a name. There we go. How do you guys want to do this race? Should we do a duck race, or do you guys want to do maybe like the pinwheel? I think there's a pinwheel or something we can do. Tutti Fruit. Yan in the house. Hey. You need a hot helper who works for chicken eggs? I got lots of those. Tractors, whatever's easiest for you, Dave. I don't have the premium version of those accounts, so I only really have access to either ducks, or I think I can go with like a pinwheel. I've never tried the pinwheel, but RNG pinwheel picker. Wheel of names, random picker. So we got 50 entries, 52 entries total, 52 unique names. True, today I'll identify as a lady. Pick a number. Do you receive do you receive my pseudo? I just saw Yan you talked in the Discord there. Okay, actually it's a total of 48 entries. So we're going to put the 48 names. These are all the people who went and did the the requirements for the entry for the 50K account. So let's get this banner off here. So this is going to be for the 50K Lucid Pro account, guys. So good luck. Thank you for putting in the hard work of. I know it's kind of annoying. You gotta go into X, you gotta go into Instagram, you gotta go into YouTube. Make sure you follow me. All this stuff. Blah blah blah. Comment funded. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for putting in the work for that. Just trying to get a little bit of growth on there. And what do you say? Only today? Only 50 minutes left today, though. LOL. Good for the wife and Kyle to go to bed after 12. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, good luck. Hopefully, I'm sure I got every name. I diligently went through it all. So this is for the accounts. If you did get your name in on the Instagram, and I'm gonna get rid of that post actually. Now that we're about to do the spin, so I might as well take it off before anyone else tries to make that comment. So I'm just gonna edit it. I'm gonna put in there that the giveaway is complete. Okay. This giveaway is complete. I marked it. There we go. So good luck here, everybody. We're going to get this going. I don't know. Click to spin. So we have two giveaways tonight, guys. So one is that you got to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X, comment funded, and repost those comments on each of those platforms. And then the other one we're still going to do later today, which is for the Sunday giveaway. So if you guys filled out the form for the 25K Flex account, you'll be entered in on that. We'll be doing that a little bit later in a couple hours here. So yes. So we're done this giveaway, and so I can't just add names on this one because everyone did the work. They went and put their names in on all the channels and everything. So you guys will still have a chance to get in on the giveaway for later. So yeah, there was 2 giveaways for this Sunday. I don't know, Adam, did you follow me on Instagram and follow me on X and repost it and everything? If you did, you're in there. So good luck here to the winner on this one, but don't worry if you missed out on this one. We are doing another 25K Flex evaluation giveaway later tonight, which is a usual Sunday night giveaway. This one's been running for a week, so it's been set up in the Discord, and I posted it on Instagram and X, and also in the YouTube comments, like channel comments. So you guys had about a week to get in on this one. So yeah, I can't add any extra names at this point because it is what it is. It's a little too late. You did, but you can't see your name there? What's your Instagram name? Or your Instagram or your X name? What's your Instagram name, Adam? Or your X or Instagram? X Adam Daz? Let me see here. No, Angia. This is just for the Instagram and X giveaway one. The other one's later. So, Adam Daz 23881. Well, I did find Adam and Vikram's name here on Instagram and X there. So, M Brown, did you enter on the Instagram or the X? Because this isn't the usual Sunday giveaway. This is a different one that we've already done. So. Precise Trader, you entered on both. Let me see here. Chill is mine. Chill's your name on there. Okay. I got you there, Precise. No, so you had to enter on both of them, Angia, to get an entry. So it was just a single entry for one person. We're breaking out here, hey guys. That wasn't your OnlyFans. Spin the wheel like the price is right. Kyle's going to sleep. Discord? What about Discord? Okay, we're gonna do the form here now, guys. All right. Let me see here. Put this back. Okay, no going back now. This is the last one. I tried to add people's names. Good luck, everybody. We're gonna do it in. Let me get a different song going here, though, so we can. Okay, good luck here, everybody, for the 50K Pro eval. Good luck, good luck. Who's gonna be the winner? NQ Contract Killer. Look at that. Woo! NQ Contract Killer. NQ Contract Killer. Yeah, no, yeah, freaking way. Congrats, bro. Send me a message on Discord or just put a comment in the general chat on Discord there, NQ. Congratulations. I added your name for that chill. So you got in there, but you just didn't win. Yeah, buddy. Congrats, congrats. Poor eval, LOL, rip. Don't say that. Wish him luck. He's going to do it. Don't kill the account, Contract Killer. Pretty strong pullback there, guys. Where is the NQ Contract Killer here? NQ Contract Killer. I like purple. Yes, we'll do another race a little like around the usual time. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna NQ. So just head over to your Lucid here, right? You're gonna go to Lucid. You're gonna go to the Lucid Pro 50K, right? You're gonna click on that. Go to sign up or whatever. Once you get to the part where you gotta pay, I'm gonna send you this little code. Just put it in the discount line, and it should bring it to a 0. So after you get it, please just take a quick screenshot of the account, and once you get it approved or whatever, and then just send that to me just so I can make sure that you got it and I can take it off my list of accounts that I have. Thank you, sir. Let me just get that for you right now. Yeah, let me put the code in the chat there for you, Forcehead. You can help him out. Maybe that's what we should do next time, hey, is let's do a random, like, let's just throw it in the chat, and then whoever can type it in the fastest wins. That'd be funny, eh? Whoever can do it the fastest wins. Yeah, Miss Kid's like, no, that's not fair. End of day, Wilson. End of day. Always end of day. Coupon management. Okay, where's this 50K? Right there. Okay, copy this one. Lucid Pro 50K eval. There you go, buddy. Congratulations with that. Good luck with that. Awesome. Thank you for that. Got the freebie. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. That's awesome. Do it right. Do it right. Keep the size down. Keep it for as long as you can and turn that thing into a W. Join the sloth gang? Yeah, end of day all day. First grab, first win? Yes, yes. You're slow. You're slow as AF. Okay, guys, just give me a minute here. I haven't fed Ralph his dinner yet, so I'm just gonna run down real quick, get his dinner and Frank's actually. They're probably getting really hungry. It's pretty late already. So watch the market for me. Let me know what happens. I'll be right back. Got Ralph's dinner. Be right back here. One more sec. Ralph is fed. Hey, okay. What did I miss here? Can't wait to share the first fail from the giveaway. Yeah, that'd be sweet. I'm looking forward to it. Put in the success story in the Discord. Miss K, dog, yeah. Feed the doggies. Push NQ. Dogs love knackies. Yes, they do. Has to feed the dogs before his mom throws him in the pool in the backyard, guys. Second, sir. Pizza party for the first pail, right, Sat? We're going back up, Market Butcher. Looks like bottom. So far, we're kind of ranging, aren't we? I mean, we do have this bullish fair value gap here on the 5-minute. But we're kind of, I'm a little bit concerned because we're sort of making lower highs here, right? Got a bit of a double top forming here. Maybe bring more followers? Yeah. You know, I mean, I'm not loving this price action. Obviously, we've had some pretty nice breakout candles here, and we kind of like found support and broke out again. But I'm just like not really confident, you know, in this where we're gonna go. I do have a naked point of control here at 29,500 area, 450 area. Sorry. What was this, guy? This is a 1 hour fair value gap, but this is obviously, this was a bullish and it's been inverted, so I can get rid of. Or can I? Let me just look at this one more time, because this should be. So originally it was a bullish, and then it's been inverted. So now it's a bearish. So we'll make. Oh, it is already yellow. Never mind. So we got a bit of a resistance level there. We got the naked point of control, 29,450. Maybe that's going to be our target for tomorrow. And then maybe we're going to get back into that diamond shape that we've had here for quite some time going on. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Nine and 20 EMAs crossing the 50. They're above my 200 EMA. I don't have a 50 on my chart, but looking like the 200 EMA is kind of lining up with our overnight VWAP here. So this is going to be a bit of a key level here. If we end up holding support on this level, we can probably try to target back up, well, maybe 900 or higher. It looks cooked. You think we're gonna head down? Yeah, I'll be waiting. I won't be jumping in on anything here, but I'll be waiting for some sort of reaction at this level. Maybe we start printing some bullish candles after it. We can look at going higher, but until we see that, we might end up going back to retest this channel, right? Which would be all the way back down to the POC. It's cooked. It looks cooked. Yeah, I think it's cooked. It looks pretty good, right? It's cooked. Yeah, we're stuck between the point of control and value area high right now. Only got like 1, 2, 3, 4 more bites of that two chicken breasts that I had. Jerk chicken seasoning. How we doing on the likes, guys? Damn, we got 99 people watching right now. We got 38 people in X. What the heck? Wow. Big turnout from X tonight, guys. Thanks for that. Let's see some comments here from the X viewers. Okay, here we're holding the overnight view up temporarily. Maybe we're gonna pull back into the 30s here. We got this on the 2-minute chart, the unmitigated fair value gap. We are tapping into the 3-minute one. We got a 5-minute one. We're tapping into it also. Do we have a higher time frame one? It's a 10. Is it on the 15 also? Okay, well, we're currently in the 15 right now. How long? We have 11 minutes left on this candle. So let's watch this one here. I kind of want to be a buyer here. Make some chili cheese tots and I'm ready to chill. Nice. Nice. Let's switch up the music here. Uh, 153120. My duck is doing some push-ups right now. Yeah, get warmed up, right? So I did get in along. I did buy that on the view up there. Let's see if we can't get a push back up here. Up decently on 3 contracts here so far. I would like us to get up to sort of like towards the 900s. Let's go down to the 3-minute to manage this guy. I'm probably going to start taking a little bit of profits here though, just because, you know, missed my opportunity there. I wanted to take one off sort of at the 60s there. So I am willing to go in a little bit higher size on this trade because it is a top 1 futures eval. I'm currently up about 125 in that account, 120 off of one trade from earlier. Hopefully it'll keep us in profit here though. I wanted to add to a winner, not to a loser. On the ES, no hourly close above 75.05. Oh, that's not good. I did add a couple more contracts there. I like they were holding that level. So let's go 80. Take one just below 80. Take one just below 90. And then we'll take the rest off at right below 900s, sort of at 97. Hopefully we get a pop here. Let's go. Come on, NQ. Let's go. Let's print some dollars. MNQ seems stuck on the VWAP for the moment. Yeah. Which I'm hoping is a good thing, Chris. I'm hoping it's a good thing here. Want to see it pop up into the 80s there. You know what? I'm actually going to move this TP down to 70s. '70s, '80s. One at the 90s. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's see a big BC. That would be nice. Just like whoop, 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 right through all four of these contracts here. Oh, we got one off. We got one off there. This could be a resistance level. I'm going to move my stop up here a bit. Come on, a little more pop here. Let's get me up into the 79s here. One more little pop. We are holding the VWAP. I bought long on the VWAP. We have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap all the way down to a 2-minute fair value gap, lining up with that level. So as you can see here, we held this 15-minute fair value gap. So this is why I went long. Holding the VWAP here. There we go. 2 contracts off. 3 left. Gonna go break even on the rest now. So no matter what, we got a winning trade here, even if it decides to just go straight back down on me. Yeah, the 200 EMAs there too. So we got a lot of confluences. We got the VWAP, we got the 200 EMA, we got a bullish fair value gap. We've been relatively bullish so far. We're gonna get this hit right now. Let's take this right now. Took that one off there. I'm not going to be greedy on that one. Let's go with two contract stop right below the bottom of that 5-minute candle. See if we can't get this next one here at the 98 area. One more little pop here. Come on, get me up into the mid 80s, or mid 90s, sorry. Would be real nice. One more little pop. Come on. I'm actually going to try to take it right here, too. Let's see if we can't get a little more lift here, boys. There we go. Okay, we're down to 1 contract. Down to 1 contract. Sell 1 stop. So actually, I'm going to take this last contract off, and I'm just going to start trailing this on the 2-minute. So we'll just go to the bottom of the 2-minute candles here. See if we can't just let this bad boy run for a bit. So nice little trade there, though. I'm up now. I'm up 450 in this account, although I have 100 running floating right now. So I'm up about 350. So I got maybe about 400 actually, because I got my stop about halfway up from that. Push through 920s and off to the races? Yeah, buddy. Hey, Michael. Good morning to you, sir. Awesome trade. Finally back to your office. Okay, Brick. What were you're away or something? I got my stop loss in the profit. My stop loss is my entry is at 850 and my stop loss is at 872. So I got about 22 points in profit here on this trade. Trying to like just hopefully avoid getting taken out on the pullback. I'm gonna pull it back actually to. We'll put it to the 70s. Might end up pulling back and take me out, but let's see if we can't get this thing to keep going here for a bit. So you're out all day, finally got home a bit ago and missed the banger trade of the night. Yeah, there's a couple good opportunities tonight. This one's printing really nice. I just liked how we had multiple confluences here. We had the overnight VWAP, we had the 200 EMA, we had a bullish fair value gap all lining up here. And then we were just sitting on that VWAP. I was kind of waiting for this to happen before I was going to enter, but I just liked that we are literally just sitting on it. Like there was no more seller momentum, right? We pulled back all the way from the highs there. No more seller momentum. So let's see if this is going to actually break out now, because we got these equal highs here sort of at 933. That could be definitely a target for us. The 4-hour high at 962. Yeah, it could. 962 up here. This one. Yeah, this one. The previous 4-hour candle. I see. That's pretty strong candle though so far. Hey, on the 4. We do have we're in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap though, so there's always that too. That's kind of why we're getting all this resistance. But yeah, we could definitely pop up there. We have an hour and a half left here on this candle. Don't run out of steam now. Yeah, I know. Was it off the 1x band too? Well, we're at, depending on what time frame were you looking at here? Because we're right at the 1x right now from what I see. Okay, gotcha. So we basically just went straight to that +1 deviation band and kind of slowed down so far. And we're making a new high here. One of those times where it's like, man, I should have just held all 5 of those contracts. How far under 50% of the 4-hour fair value gap? How much under it are we? We're basically almost at the middle of that. We're above the middle of it actually. So the midpoint of the 4-hour fair value gap is 884. So we're definitely up there. I'm gonna get a little more aggressive with my stop loss once we get up to these equal highs here, because this could, well, it's only on the 5-minute actually. It shows equal highs. Yeah, the 5-minute. So I should probably be a little more aggressive here with this, in case we decide to. I'm gonna put my stop up at the 900s anyways for now, just below 900, 898 area. See if we can't get all the way up to value area high there at the 990s. Like, I don't see why not at this point. They're gonna we needed a nice strong push right through these equal highs here though, because if the sellers are here, they're gonna be right in this zone, right? They're gonna be right in here. Yep, they are there. They are there. Let's just hope it doesn't stop me out here. They could come all the way down here to 900s. I should probably have my stop below the bottom of that wick. I moved my stop down to 880s, 890. Stopped it out for 18 points. Nice. Nice. Come on, buyers. Don't just give up here on us. Come on, buys. Let's go. Leave it? Leave it at the 900s, you're saying? Okay, I'll leave it at the 900s. Probably smarter. It could pull all the way back down. Technically, this could almost be a buy, actually. Yeah, more money. You never know, right? Nobody likes getting stopped out. Moved it twice. You tell me, Wayne, how are they doing? Are you guys getting that smoke down there or what? You guys getting the smoke? It's really bad, actually. It sucks. I hate forest fires. We got 110 forest fires in British Columbia now. There's a bunch of lightning strikes. So that's unfortunate. So there's quite a few forest fires in Canada. Again, why are we sending $25 billion to Ukraine over the last however many years, but we can't buy any freaking water bombers for Canada to protect our country from wildfires? Yeah, feeling the smoke a bit. Yeah, it sucks. Not in LA. Okay, we're out there. But nice trade. 460 now in that account. I think I was up about 110 or something on that trade, so from before. Yeah, so I made about 350 on that trade there. That was a good one. Of course, it's gonna stop me and then go higher, right? Hey, Dad's in the house. Good evening, all. How's it going? My dad gave me a like. Thank you, Dad. See how it reacts at 28,935 if touched again. Strong resistance. You can smell the Canadian Kush from Connecticut. Purchasing a new large purpose-built water bomber like Canadair, the Halva costs approximately 80 million CAD each. Damn. Yeah, but I mean, what's more important? You know, protecting our citizens, or sending money to Ukraine to protect Mark Carney's assets, our prime minister. Angia, my dad's saying hi to Angia. Good evening, sir. See, I should have left my stop down there at 889, guys. I don't know. I shouldn't listen to the chat, but no, I appreciate your opinion though. Trying to help me save some more money, Hector. Protecting, yeah. Hit the like button, guys, so we can get on with that Lucid 25K giveaway. But it seems like we have mostly all people in X tonight, guys. We got 40 people in X and 75 people in YouTube. So, which I don't understand, guys, why in Ukraine they have like 16 tons of gold in their reserves. Like, why aren't they like giving that to like Canada or other countries that are giving them a bunch of money? That's what I don't get. Citizens don't seem to matter anymore in the US or Canada. Yeah, I think I agree, Chris. It's pretty messed up. Yeah, I know. We're protecting you, of course. USA is protecting Canada. We don't need we got the big brother down south to protect us. Apple, you're gonna buy the top? Careful, bro. Careful. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah. MQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it.
You don't chase.
We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks.
We got 3 people watching the vertical stream there. I don't know. The vertical stream hasn't been doing very good lately, guys. I don't know. Maybe I gotta switch the what we're watching. I don't know if people like the book map. It's pretty. Maybe it's a little too boring over there.
Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before.
I'm gonna try a different one here. Let's put on the chart instead. This one. There we go. Banners.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't
There we go.
Hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's good. Stay alive, that's the real.
ETH at value area high.
All right, guys.
Electronic trading hours. Think we're going all the way up there. Why have a vertical stream is to maximize YouTube algo or monetization? You know, Randall, it's just about like trying to find some more subscribers or more viewers, because you know people are often just like swiping through vertical like their shorts, and then they can like they'll stumble onto some like live streams. So I'm kind of hoping that, you know, and I have got a number of people coming over from the live stream or the vertical stream into the main chat, right? So as they're swiping through their, you know, on their phone, that'll pop up, and if they like maybe what we're talking about or what they're seeing, then they're going to come over and join this stream. That's kind of the idea behind it.
We don't chase highs, we wait
9:15. Oh yeah, you're watching the developing point of control, right? Really? Is that for real, Jerry? Is that a real thing? Or are you just saying that? Yeah, I see that at the 9:15 there.
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit.
I know, wrong trade, Jim. I want to buy it right now too, so bad. But I'm not going to. 30-second volume spike.
Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Very corrupt. LOL. Let other politicians do it. They'll cry. Oh yeah. It's legit, really. On True Social, really. Inside tweets. Is that even legal? Like, is that not insider trading, sort of?
I'm just stacking little basics. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit.
Big boys are active on 30-second. What do you think? Is it buying volume or selling volume, Wayne?
Got banned on X 'cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like,
Oh, there's a big buying volume. Well, it looks like selling volume to me because it's like kind of a doji candle there. So a big push up there and then lots of resistance there at the 940s.
yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. Small wins.
It's insider. That's why I said let Obama do it and Trump will call him corrupt.
Yeah, that's that trick.
Yeah, they'll all call each other corrupt, right?
Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures.
GC made a nice move.
Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. MNQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. All right, guys. Couple base hits.
GC's always making a nice move, isn't it?
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang,
Oopsies. It will get challenged in court eventually. Yeah, probably. Being a little slow as of late, but a nice IB Asian, nice Ibison. What is it? Wonder if we're gonna get a pullback here. If, like, we're gonna pop through the top. It's been nice on Asia. Yeah. Are you talking about the gold? Short at 964. She gonna keep grinding? You're thinking 964 for the short? Angie's calling pop. Pop it through. Y64, is that the previous high over here? Yeah, could be, eh? Yeah, I see it. I see what you're putting down. Yeah. I mean, we're already getting some pretty high, a little bit of resistance at this level, right? That high volume doji candle that didn't go anywhere. On Friday, I was not in the duck race. Can you put me in? Did you enter the Discord there, Dad? Let me see. I gotta get that other form open anyways here, so let me just open that up here. Duck race entry summary. Could see NQ 29052. Hi. It's your dad, just Adam. Yeah, I know. I just wanted to. Yeah, you're in the form already, Dad. He did fill out the Discord form already. Yeah, that's that trick. 3-minute red delta, previous 3-minute. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Hey, we got 6 people in the vertical stream. Good evening, everybody. If you want to come on over and join us in the main stream, there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. That's the link to the main stream. Click that link, come on over here, and then if you want to get it into our 25K Lucid Flex giveaway account, you got to head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment at the top of the channel in the Discord. Click that link, fill out the little form, and you'll be entered into tonight's giveaway for the 25K Lucid Flex Eval. Woo! Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm liking the idea of a short here. Oof. Uh-oh. Oof what? Kind of liking the idea of this short here. Take a couple off here. Half out of that trade. Stop in the break even here. Lock in a little bit of money. Can take one more off actually here. Try to take one more off at the 900s, just above the 900s. Buy one, limit. Come on, little sweep. Sweep it. Sweep it. Come on, sweep it. I'm going to take this one off here again. I'm getting mostly out here. Oh. Stops in there. Okay, I'm just going to let this guy ride. Let this ride. See if we can't get all the way back down to into this bullish fair value gap in the 880s area. This is a Lucid 150K Lucid Flex evaluate or Lucid Pro evaluation. Currently up 180 with $50 floating, so locked in 120 so far. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Let's take those 900s. Let's get us down into the 80s here. Come on. Keep going. Yes, it's 150K, this one. I'm trying to pass my first 150K. I recently passed a 100K account, and now I'm working on a 150K account. See if I can't pass one.
Another stop loss. Another lesson.
Thanks, Wayne. We're gonna come for this later, so don't think this is gonna last forever. I don't think. Just how can we leave these equal highs like this without coming there later, right? Which account size do I prefer? I feel like eventually I would like to evolve into the 150Ks, just because it gives you a little bit more buffer, and you know, like you can size up a little bit more. But until I can pass some, like I'll be still working on the 50Ks. By the way, guys, Wayne, you're gonna be pretty mad at me for this, but remember how you told me to take NQ contracts off? I freaking blew my Lucid 50K Pro account because I was on the stupid NQ again, and I went to buy 2 micros, and I took two minis, and it literally instantly went against me within about 30 seconds. I only had about 1,000 drawdown left in that account after I took a loss. Actually, I think it was 2 losses in a row on a previous day. So frustrating, man. I did it twice, except for the first time I got lucky and I got out of it without getting burned. And then yesterday, or the day, no, not yesterday, it would have been Friday towards the end of the day, I literally went, I'm like, okay, well, this is looking really good. And you know, if it would have been 2 micros, it would have totally been a winning trade, because I wouldn't have sold it on the pullback, because it was like not pulling back very far, but because it was 2 minis, it just went to that $1,000, ate through that $1,000 of drawdown in like 2 seconds. So frustrating. But you know, Wayne, the problem is I got to like, I trade some of these evals on you know, the big contracts. Sometimes if I'm really liking price action, I'll step it up and I'll trade on the NQ. And then I don't know how I did it, but again, I left it on the wrong contract. And then so I got to keep thinking in my mind, check the contract, right, before you take the trade. Like, double check that you're on the right contract tab, right? So I've been trying to do that. So I think I might drag this stop down to just above the 900s here. Let's go with above 905. Put it at 906 here, halfway down this 5-minute candle. Copy to you, but you were copy trade on 5 accounts, but no, the trade was 1 account and 5 minis. Blew it. Sucks. Oh, well, good thing you weren't on 5 accounts, so hey. No, don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Okay. Keep going lower. Go lower. I gotta give it more space. We're probably gonna retest this fair value gap a bit here, so I don't want to get stopped out on this. Come on, 880s. I'm gonna put a TP at 880 here. I wanted to hit the middle of that, slightly in the middle of the fair value gap. I'm gonna actually give it a little bit more, 8150, 28, 88, 8150 here. So either we're gonna make a little bit of money or we're gonna make more money. So it's a nice place to be in right now. Here we go. Come on, go. Let's go. No, don't bounce. No. Gosh, I keep repeating my mistakes too, especially on a large move. I keep killing my drawdown. Yeah, it is hard to, you know, like, it's a good idea to write this stuff down too, like, because, you know, some people, you know, I'm like one of those people, I like to write things down because it kind of like solidifies it into your brain. So if you're making a mistake, write it down a bunch of times. Say like, I will not do this X, Y, Z, right? Write it out. So get that stuck in your brain. You know, keep a little pad there and just read it through occasionally. And like the 5 don'ts of your account and the 5 do's or something. You know what I mean? The do's and the don'ts. Come on, let's get there. 881. Tempted to take it here. I'm going 883 here. Come on, tap it. Edged my order. Here we go. Come on. 84.75. I'm taking it, guys. I'm out. I'm okay with that. 225. There we go. Get here. Do make money. Don't lose money. Yes. Yeah. That's a pretty easy list there, hey? TPT daily payouts are goated. Yes, they are elevated for sure. They are. I'm almost through my buffer on my TPT account. I got 1,534 profit in there. So once I can get it to, you know, it's about $600 more in that account, I can start being a little bit more trying to hold it longer. So writing in your journal will save your ass in the future if you start now. Yes, it will. Oh, I could have been patient, hey guys, but that's all good. We took the profits. Do you trade NQ or MNQ? Shizar, I trade MNQ typically, not so much the NQ. I'll only trade NQ either by mistake or or in my evaluation accounts. Sometimes I'll put on some more size. Or if I'm really, really liking the trade, like if I'm liking that we're like in a really bullish trend or bearish trend and I want to get in with some more size, I'll occasionally do like a 1 mini. But it just kind of makes, if you're only going to go 1 mini, which typically I am, you might as well just go micros and just get 10 of them, right? I don't know. Just my opinion anyways. How are we doing on the likes here, guys? We don't have a ton of viewers in YouTube today. Oh, we got 75 now and 43 in X. 40X is popping off tonight, guys. I don't think I've ever had 43 viewers in X before. So that's awesome. Thank you for that. Okay, so we need about 10. We need 11 more likes, guys, and then we'll get the giveaway going here. So can you guys 11 more of you just throw up a like on the YouTube, please? I agree, can scale out and cover risk. Yeah, exactly, NQ. By mistake or on purpose? Or purpose, yeah. If we can just get 11 more likes, we'll do that giveaway here. 6 more likes. I'm gonna start working on the form, guys, while you hit that like button. Let me get the Sunday giveaway form going here. Looks like we have about 129 entries there, and we are pushing lower here, guys. Looks like we're going all the way to the VWAP. Kind of pretty good price action here if you're just trading in this range here. I mean, I don't know that I would take long now at this. You know, we have a lot of confluences down here for long, but I don't know that I would be taking it now just because this might be the one that goes through it. So you've been trading minis on a 50K? That's bold. No, I was trading minis on 100K eval, and I was trading minis on 150K eval, not on a 50K. But I will scale into possibly up to 10 micros on a 50K if it's, you know, if it's working really well. We did make a higher high on the last push up. Slightly, yes, slightly higher high. Although everything that was higher was all wicks. Although we did close up there, so I don't know. Yeah, we'll have to see. I just wouldn't be blindly jumping in on this one now that we've tested it like 1, 2, 3, 4 times, basically, almost. Okay, let me download this form here. Responses, view and sheets. Did I already have the sheets open? I already had the sheets open. 130. And then we'll go download CSV file. Go over here, drop the CSV file into the ChatGPT. So what do you guys think? Should we do a another pinwheel, or do we want to do the duck race again tonight? It's up to you guys. I'm easy. Let me see this. Hawk posted a 30-second MNQ on the chart. I feel like it's pretty hard to read those bars just because I'm not used to looking at them. But yeah, what's a pinwheel? It's just like the wheel. It's like the wheel of fortune kind of thing. This guy. You just put all the names in there, and then you just click the button. It spins it around. Ducks win. Team Massive. If you haven't already, what you do is there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. That'll take you to the Discord. Once you get in the Discord there, I'll show you real quick here. So here's a Discord. Here's what Hawk's chart is showing us here, the 30-minute high volume right here, I guess. But yeah, so go into the Discord and then come over here. You'll see giveaway entries here. This guy, click that guy, right? Scroll all the way to the top of this channel. There's a pinned comment at the very top, the start of the channel. See here, Market Butcher giveaway. We're giving away prop trading accounts live. How to enter, join the Discord, fill out the form below and be present in the live stream. So you just click this little link right here. This is going to take you to a Google Docs form. Just fill out that Google Docs form and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So what we do is we put this up once a month. And basically, once you fill it out at the start of the month, you're entered in for all the Sunday giveaways. So you'll have at least one duck entry into the Sunday giveaways. So throughout the week, we run an extra race. And throughout the week, if you're like here on a Tuesday or Thursday night, we'll usually give away 3 or maybe even 4 extra ducks for the Sunday giveaway, because I only have like 1 account to give away per week. So when you win a race during the week, that just gives you an extra entry into the Sunday duck race. So instead of having 1 duck, you'll have 2 ducks. So that's how that works. So you only have to fill this one out on the Discord once a month, but on the Tuesday and Thursdays, we'll have a form that we pin in the comment section. That's the one where you want to click that link, and you'll enter in that form on the link on the in the chat. It's not in the Discord, and then that'll be for that night's race, and that's just for an extra duck into the Sunday race. So, see, this is what I was talking about, guys. Like, I wouldn't have trusted this to be a blind buy here. It doesn't mean that we're done, right? Going higher, but you know, you think that the more times we test a level, it's going to be stronger. That's not necessarily the case, right? More often than not, the more times we test it, eventually it's going to break through, right? So yeah, I know I should have held that short, hey guys? I should have held that short. I mean, I'm happy with the trade, but like if I would have just held on to all 6 of those contracts all the way down to here, that was what was that entry was 26.37, so 26.30, about 30. Average price 30. Now we're down 100 points. $200 times 6. $1,200. Damn. Quick math. Okay, I'm just gonna pop back into the form here and make sure I get anyone who else that just added their. Looks like Dennis is the only one who added so far. And the YouTube name, Team Massive. Copy. So this is the opening range high, guys. So I did keep track of the first 15 minutes of the session, the 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is opening range high. So we have a little bit more confluence in this level right now. We have this bullish fair value gap. We tapped the opening range high, and look at this. We're ripping back up here. So 746. It's a bit of a deeper pullback, though, hey?
Trend line. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep, and somewhere another trend line breaks.
What a bounce. What a bounce. Do you have a friend you in all of those several apps? I might have missed the app. I didn't see a duck with my name on it.
Another chart.
Oh no, Dad. So I think you missed the other giveaway. You missed there was a giveaway earlier that we did already, which was a 50K account, but we're doing the one right now, coming up shortly, and your name's on there. So you're entered in that, so don't worry about that one. We're going to be doing that other duck race here pretty quickly, and your name's on the list. Who won the 50K? It was who won it again? Sorry, I forgot already. NQ Contract Killer. The NQ Contract Killer.
Trend line. FEG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Pyron sleeps by my side like he knows another trade. Yeah. Everybody got a system.
Hey, welcome to the vertical stream there, guys. We got about 4 people over there watching. If you guys want to join us on the main stream, there is a pinned comment there for a link to the main stream. Just click that, head on over here. We got about 108 people watching over here. We got 65 people in YouTube and 43 people in X hanging out. So we caught a couple bangers there. We caught the long off the VWAP all the way back up to this, almost all the way back up to the highs here. And then we shorted it from the highs almost all the way back down to the lows in this little range here. So new here. Did I hear a giveaway? LOL. What time do you start streaming? I M2 Equanimity. How you doing? I usually start streaming at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then we usually run until 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, right? 10, 11, 12, 1. Yeah, 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes till almost 2 Eastern Standard Time. And yes, we do have a giveaway, M2. If you want to head over to the Discord, there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. Just scroll to the very bottom there. Look at the very bottom. There's a pinned comment there. Click that. That'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel in the Discord Once you're in the giveaway channel, you got to scroll to the very top. There's a pinned comment there, and there's a little form, a Google Docs form you got to fill out in that channel. So we do that once a month. We just reset that form every month. And so if you sign that up once, you'll be in for the giveaway for the rest of the month until the next one gets till we replace the form in the following month. So what time is it there? It's 10:19 p.m. right now for me. 10:19. Yeah, it was a beautiful pullback, hey Randall? 91 points. Yeah, then he won't wake up for the New York session. Lazy. Yeah. Not lazy. I'm up usually. I'm up 99% of the time. I slept through the other day. I was late by like almost an hour. I think it was about an hour. But the only time that I ever slept through before was when I was sick. And I was sick for a while. And I did it on a couple days in a row. I freaking slept through my alarm somehow, like right through it. It's 6:30 for market. I usually wake up at 5:50 a.m. and then I'm live at 6:15. So it gives me about 25 minutes to get up, shake off the cobwebs, drink my electrolyte and creatine, and get to the market open. So are you talking about my entry criteria, Wilson?
Traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my.
Okay, I did get the entries here. Let's see, did we get any more in there? I can always add. Okay, we got equanimity in there, so I'll add you at the end of the list here. I don't have to do it through ChatGPT. Some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gon' trade your hand. Ain't no system gon' make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. Okay, so I just gotta add equanimity here, and then the list is ready to go. M2 equanimity. Copy. I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits. Let the truth unfold. When you have to bring up an app or buy or sell or switch or explain something, can you ask AI to do it for you? No, Dad. No. You cannot. When you have to bring up an app or buy or sell or switch or explain something, can you ask AI to do it for you? Not really. I don't think I'm not sure about the context you're saying, but next time I come over, we can talk about it. Is that thing you do but never feel it, and some people do it but don't feel it, like yourself? I had trouble reading that. I couldn't even make sense. So, do you think they want 770? I mean, they might go to opening range low, down to 700s. But I would want to see us, if we're going to turn bearish here, guys, I would want to see us get through opening range high first. That's going to be sort of our first line in the sand, I think. Right? If we can't get below 820 here, 815, I would say that the bulls are just holding it. So he asked, "What is sleep?" Oh yeah. Yep, kinda. It's that thing you do but never feel it, and some people tell you you did it, but it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, okay, yeah, it makes sense now. Yeah, opening range low is 706, right? So we might head there. We kind of made a lower high. This could turn bearish here, but like I said, I would be keeping an eye on opening range high here, and the PLC, this kind of area between 820 and 800. Now, if we get a strong take of that area, I could definitely see us going down to opening range low, value area low area. But keep in mind, we do have one other roadblock in the way here, which is a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. The middle of that is around 28,760. Baldwin, I like my New York session. That's why I don't show up here that much. Hey, fair enough. Fair enough. I don't blame you. It's easier to make a little bit of quick money on the New York session, but it's also easy to lose it. There's 3 attempts to take out value area high, wick rejections, no wick at the bottom of the 4-hour candle, and poor low down at 709. Good possibility we could go down and take that poor low. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be coming out that way pretty soon there, Dad. Okay, so we got the form ready to go. We're pulling back here. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Wonder if would have been a nice buy at opening range high there. From 15 to 50, 25-point bounce, and then a bit more actually, 60, 30-point bounce. Dave, I have an idea for a swag t-shirt. Market Milker. Yeah, and then like 2 little like teats with a guy going like this. I find the Asia session calmer and much more reliable than NQ. You have to be sharp technically. Yeah, with NQ, you got to be really fast, right? If you're like quick, if you can just act really fast, NQ or New York session is pretty good, right? Okay, here, let's get this giveaway going. I think it's time. I gotta go to bed sometime soon here. Okay, set that guy. I gotta remove the banner like usual and get a different song going here. Do you guys want the 60s doo-wop duck race song or the higher intensity duck race song? Let me know quick in the chat. You want the doo-wop song, the 60s doo-wop, or do you want the sort of like the boy band higher pace duck race song? Cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows, no stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect FVG gap, get full. Either one? Oh, that doesn't help, Chris. Handsome Mbop, the 60s? Okay, let's do the 60s. We haven't done that one in a while. Let's see here. Now I just gotta find it. Where is it? Is it this one? Nope. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm because one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Where did it go? We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term. Respect the steps. Trade like an adult. Don't move. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. There we go. We found it. I found it. Don't worry. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Good luck, guys. All right, let's do this. Give it a couple more shuffles here. All right, good luck here, guys. 45 seconds here for the big W. Hopefully we don't have to do too many races. Congrats to the winner here. We're off. 45 seconds here. Type a 1 in there if you're going to go fast. If you want your duck to go faster, you got to hit a number 1. Yo, Jim, Ranja, Angia, Elevated, Lady C, Trades with L, Simone Lucas, Drew69 Malibu, Avatam Saka. This song's good? Yeah, it's good. It's good. I know, right? Raphael Cini, Drew69 Malibu, Sat 9473, Trading Game, B Flu, Pack Tune, Dark Brown Rejected. 6 seconds left. Who's coming from the back? Miss K? Miss K. Miss K under FOFF. Is Miss K here tonight, guys? She's still here? I'm sure you guys know, but Miss K is under FOFF from before. There you go. She's here. Congrats. And it was a first winner. F off. Oh, okay. I'm so dumb, hey? Why didn't I see that earlier, yo, Jim? I'm like FOFF. I'm like, why? What is FOFF anyways? Okay, well, it seems like Miss K is not here, guys, so let's run it back. Let's run it back since she's not here, guys. Miss K's not here, right? I guess we got to run it back, right?
Yeah. Market Butcher. Mustang Trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Oh, it's too bad she's not here. Okay, let's run it back here.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit sack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we.
I'm just joking, Miss K. I know you're here. Congrats. Let's just do one more, guys. We'll do it for extra duck on the next. We'll do two. We'll do two for an extra duck here. Good luck here. I'm just pulling your leg, Miss K. You got it. Congrats. Make a comment in the Discord there, and then I'll message you. And this guys is for an extra duck in the next Sunday race. So if you win this, you're not winning a free duck. You're not winning an account. This is just for an extra duck in the next week's race. So. Miss K just put a comment. Baldwin, ripping there. Just put a comment in either the general chat or somewhere in the Discord. And oh, who's gonna get it here? Vikram, you're gonna get an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. Are you here? Vikram, are you here, bro? You were earlier. There you go. Nice. Vikram's got an extra duck. Okay, one more here. One more. Good luck here. Let's go race again. We'll do one more for an extra duck. Again, this is for an extra duck on to next Sunday giveaway. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. Nix Bond, Vanch, Vikram there again, back in there. Can't win 2 ducks in a row though. Ranja, the healthy Chan Sukyan. Welcome. There's my dad's there. Mr. Stewart, Keith Matthew, Who's coming from the back here? Best in town. Oh, you guys got rejected. Oh, Crypto. Hero Crypto coming up from the back here. Oh, Tony Gold. Tony Gold. Tony Gold 410. You around? Miss K, did you throw a comment in the chat or what? I was waiting for you to put a chat in the Discord so I can send you the code. Tony Gold, are you here? Tony Gold.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only, trade like a lado.
We're gonna do one more anyways, guys. Here, good luck here. Let's go. Last one. If Tony's here or not, we're gonna give this one away anyways. So good luck, everybody. Duck race here.
Market butcher.
Elite Legacy, Captain VIP, Drew 69 Malibu, Agent Rogue, Swelden, Hectron, Futures Trader, Matthew Lai, Britt Martin, K-Poppers in the house. There you go. Ryan Entourage, who's coming from the Philly Traders, ripping up on the bottom there. Gary LP3. Grasshopper going to take the W here, guys. Looks like it. Grasshopper, nice win there, buddy. Congrats. Grasshopper, are you in the house? Sure, Miss K. Yeah, that's no problem. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, that we chew, pop. Quack, quack. Then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the step.
Ready? Ready for a Globex? Let's go!
Glasshopper, yes, there you go. Okay, he's here. And I guess who won the last one there? I forget now already. It's getting late. Tony Gold. Tony Gold never showed up, so I guess he's not winning. That's too bad. Glasshopper. Extra duck. Congrats, guys. Congrats. Are we going to hold this level or what? Jeez. The race is not in YouTube. Sorry, Baldwin. Hey, Baldwin, you're in the vertical stream. So yes, the race is on YouTube, but so I have two streams, right? So the one you're watching right now is like the vertical stream. So there's a pinned comment there in the vertical stream that would take you over to the main stream. But don't worry, if you were in on the Discord, you would have been entered anyways. You just didn't win, or you would have heard me calling out your name. But yeah, so I have two streams running. One's a vertical, one's a main stream. The one that you're in right now is a vertical stream. That's why you only see, you know, like it's kind of like in the vertical mode, and then you can see. You can see only my trading view chart. I'm actually curious. Let's remove this real quick. Stop screen share. Share screen. Maybe I should just start doing the whole entire screen for that. Also, how does that look? Let me edit this. That's pretty much as big as it'll get, though.
Take your profit. Don't be a tick for a tick. Good night.
Yeah, it doesn't work very good to use this style. It does. You just can't see it very clear on the verticals, so we got to just share only the window. It's going to at least 800. Yeah, I mean it's only 17 points away, but it looks like it is, doesn't it? Is the book map whispering anything? We do have orders below. We do have orders above. So not super clear. Although, what I see that is kind of interesting here is we have a divergence on the CVD. So as you can see here, the CVD was climbing and the price was just going sideways. See this from right here. So price went down, but CVD was climbing. So that means, what does that mean? That means the buyers are, the sellers are absorbing the buyers. So that's probably explains a little bit why we're heading down a bit. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna actually ask somebody. I'm going to take a picture of this, send it to ChatGPT and see what it says about the divergence on the price and the CVD. What can you tell me about the divergence between price, which is the top, and CVD, which is the bottom? It seemed like price was going down, but CVD was climbing up. Not CBD, guys, CVD. We don't care about the cannabis values climbing. Turn down the volume, Kate. It was a little loud, wasn't it? Usually turn it up for the race. From what I can see, this is actually a really good example of why CVD divergence by itself is not enough and has to be interpreted in context. Price, middle, makes a series of lower lows and rallies sharp back up towards the top of the range. CVD on the bottom, during much of the decline, the CVD actually climbed, or at least was holding as much better than price. Normally, that would be considered bullish divergence. Okay, so when price is dropping and CVD is still holding up, which is kind of what was I saying that? Because yeah, sellers were getting absorbed by the buyers, which is a bullish divergence. Okay, imprint that in your mind, guys. It's too loud to your old airheads. Yeah, you're too old. Normally, that would be considered bullish divergence. The interpretation is that aggressive sellers are no longer controlling the move, even though price is drifting lower. Why didn't the price immediately reverse? This is where bookmap becomes interesting. A few possibilities. Passive sellers were absorbing buyers, my favorite explanation. Even though CVD was rising, market buys hitting the ask, price wasn't making higher highs. That tells me that the buyers were absorbed. Think of this as buyers keep lifting the offer. A large limit seller keeps refreshing it at roughly the same price. CVD rises because buyers are aggressive. Price barely moves. Eventually, one side gives up. This is one of the strongest signs of absorption. Giving a bit of a mixed answer there, hey? Bit of a mixed answer there. Did we hit 28,000 yet? I don't know. Tell me. Not quite. Only about 800 to go. This 4 hour is about to finish nasty. What's going on YouTube Studio? So slow right now. I was just curious to see what kind of subscribers. I didn't get any new subscribers tonight, guys. What is going on? No. How come? We've been stuck at 1,767 now for we had 1,770 and then I lost 3 subscribers and then now we didn't get any subscribers on Sunday. But I appreciate you guys being here. That means that you're all regulars. We only have about we have 46 people in YouTube and 47 people in X. Like, how do we have more people watching in X right now, guys? I mean, we did the duck races, so obviously people are leaving, but yeah, mixed answer, but it claims it. Yeah, it explains it pretty clearly. We were kind of at a roadblock on the subscribers in the last little bit. Didn't get any in I think the last 2 streams in a row now. So I don't know. Hopefully I'm not. Hopefully the algorithm is maybe I'm not getting put out there for some reason. I don't know. It says I cannot message you on X due to your settings. Really? That's weird. What did I do on there? Let me see how to fix that. Settings and privacy, account information. Nope. Privacy and safety. Audience media tagging. Protect your posts when protect your videos. Photo tagging. When such is supposed to follow you. Anybody know how to do that? Oh, I gotta follow her for her to be able to message me. Okay, let me search for Miss K. Miss K 911? Is it still Miss K 911672440? Is that it? Starting to get a little bit of a pop here, guys. Corey Haram? Okay, let me get that code for you right now. Say something back to me. Okay, I see you typing. So if you wouldn't mind, after you use that code, once you get your account or once you use it to claim it or whatever, just take a quick screenshot and send it to me, please. I'd appreciate that. Hey, no problem. It's no problem. It's no problem. There's a discount code. So yeah, just go into there, pick 25K Lucid Flex, right? And then on the discount code, just put that code in there. That should turn the price to 0. And then please just take a screenshot after you've claimed it and send that in the X is fine.
Take your profit. Don't be a dick for a dick. Good night. Ready? Ready? Ready for a Globex? Let's go. Let's go. Wake up, coffee dogs are calling me. Value where I wanna be. Retail buying every candle high. Smart money smiling, watching from the side. Boner candle straight up high. Everybody screaming, now we buy. 5 minutes
Hey, no problem. Yeah, so just if you don't mind, just send me a quick screenshot, please, just so I can see that you got it.
you don't chase, you wait and see.
Oh, you did? Okay, perfect. Awesome. Thank you. Congratulations. Awesome. There we go. Congratulations. Thank you for being a loyal supporter. Appreciate it. You all ready for the week ahead? What time is it where you are now? For me, it is almost 11 p.m.
One micro, one more trade. One clean setup and get paid. No revenge, no despair. Tomorrow's market still be
Ralph says, woof.
dogs got better distance.
1:51 here in New York. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty late. You need to get to bed. Don't be a. I was angry because my first 2 ducks were not in the race. My name's not on the wheel. I don't know why, but I ended up really, really happy and missed K1. Are you sure your name's not on the list, bro? Did you go into the Discord and try to enter your name? Because your name would be on, like if you're, like there's no way your name's not in there. You just might not see it, They're just like, when we have like over 100 ducks, like sometimes people's ducks aren't even on the screen, Adam's trying to riz. Yeah, you're on there. You have a base duck and you have an extra duck on there. So you got 2 ducks on there. It's just hard to find your name sometimes, you know. Like I said, there's so many people. Oh, excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. You hit 300 on 10 accounts earlier and locked it out. Nice. Yeah, I think I saw that comment earlier. Congrats. Great trading, bud. That's a great way to start the Sunday night session, hey?
Legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you ready to ride.
You're going to have to step up your game. Really happy now for real. For reals, for reals. I'm glad. Well, we took the opening range low here, guys. So looking like we are definitely turning bearish here. But you never know with this market. We are still playing with the point of control here. So this could end up just bouncing in this area here a little bit. Maybe they'll go back to opening range high and test it and then pull back. Quite possibly. Weekly value area low is 800. Yeah, here we go. Here we're getting that bounce here off the POC. Now, if we can end up closing above opening range high, I could definitely see us going back towards these stacked highs up here, guys. Maybe in the London session here, which is coming up in about 4 minutes. So let's see if we can get a strong closure. I'll stick around for this just for a few more minutes. You only copy 5, you're gonna have to add more. Yeah, you should get another 5 stack, right? Another stack of 5s. Since you do so well trading 5, you can obviously do that. So you just risk sync them, right? Only trade 1, and then if you're like done with a nice profit in 1, just look at the other one and trade that. If you end up losing, you know, you can just not trade those until the next day, right? Risk sync those bad boys. Okay, well, we got the hourly candle coming up here again, like I said, so we'll see how this ends up playing out. Hopefully we can close up here up at the 820s. Maybe they're gonna go test the VWAP. Five is enough for me. I just go larger contracts. Yeah.
And if you full board MNQ during farm C, you might become the next boner candle victim. Good night, Butcher Gang. The Market Butcher roll call.
What a ripper there. What a ripper. Yeah, once I see the OG winning, it's as if I won and people know me. MNQ Contract Killer, he knows how I'm happy for him. And Miss K, she knows. Next time, I'd love to see Angia win and Chris. Angia's won before. And Chris would be nice, yes. Apple and Keith Smith as well. Seems like Adam knows everybody here, guys. Yeah, I appreciate. I always feel good when the people that are, you know, not just showing up for one night win, right? Like I prefer, obviously, you know, I'm obviously it's random, so I can't control who's gonna win, but it does feel nice that when the people who are consistently here get rewarded, right? Because they're putting in the time. Okay, well, hey, that's not happening, guys. Wanted a closure up here at the 20s and then targeting up to the VWAP, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. We got 1 minute or 20 seconds here till the hourly candle comes. Maybe the bears, maybe they're going to take us down to the opening range low now.
Explodes, random pole trader riding bullets roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Erkin never next, calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi, 5 fiend got disciplined wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lilash Walker with the MVG scripts. Richard Dowdy 82 steady never slips. Fast so crypto got the crypto tip. Basics. 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 Trade like adults.
You feed it well and feed it well, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I feel like we're probably going to continue this move lower. Not financial advice or anything, but just by like the move that what we've been seeing here, we pulled lower. But I would be careful here. If we're above the POC, you know, don't trust it. It's going to go lower fully, right? I would wait for a nice strong take, a strong closure down below. Maybe we're going to head to the opening range low or value area low down there. But so far, we're kind of like not really breaking down below the POC. So that would be my line in the sand until whether or not we're going to be bearish or not. So keep that in mind. But yeah, let's do our usual shout out here. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll be live again, 6:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9:15 a.m. Sorry. 6:15 my time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So trading tonight was pretty good. I made a little bit of profit. I took 2 nice winning trades, I think. I took a win in my. Let me think here. Took a win in my take profit trader. I'm up $80 in that account. I'm up 367 in my Lucid 150k eval. I didn't trade any of my other Lucid accounts. And then my top one futures. Earlier in the session, I put 1,386 into my 150k eval, which is my funded, which is in a bit of a drawdown. So I got that one back to 150k flat. And then I took a couple trades in this 50k eval that I didn't realize I refreshed. The monthly subscription came up and I got it back. So I put 460 into that one. So overall, pretty decent day. Like lots of profits, mostly in evals, unfortunately, but is what it is. Now I just got to find the there we go. All right, let's do our shout outs. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to hang out with Nick, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, he'll be live. So say what's up to him. Appreciate you guys. Miss K911, Force Fed NQ Contract Killer. Congrats to Miss K and NQ Contract Killer. Adam Daz, Chris, Randall, Paul, Yo Jim, Angia, Kyle, Hectron, Keith, Raphael, By the Way Listen Song, Glasshopper, Jerry Trades, The Elevated Life, Apple, Sat, Wayne, Ryan Entourage, Wilson is Gold, Jonathan Stonks, Jaded, FN Trades, Zero Profits, Vikram, Jane Bond, Drew 69 Malibu, Puran Polywall, Brick, D. Roy Stewart, Jonathan Gooden, Callis still fan, Wrong Trade Jim, M. Brown, Siwa, Plurd, Precise Trader, B. Flu, Yanix, Zach Lazarus, Psy 143 Cool, Tim Core, Team Massive, As I Fly, Semstrat, M2F Equanimity, Red's Everyday Dog Training, Yakaway Tube, and Trading Game. Thanks, everybody. And then before you guys go, Ralph wanted to say hi. I noticed he just woke up while I was doing the bye-bye. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, guys. Hi. Good night, everybody. Thanks for hanging out on YouTube and X. Appreciate you guys being here. Ralph loves you. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, big kiss. There you go, guys. Ralph showing the love. But yeah, thanks, guys. Time to shut off the computer, get some Z's, and we'll see you in the morning. Have a great one. Love you guys. Peace out. And thank you. Thank you.
But your Sundays never gonna die. Whole chat family keep the dream alive. Lucid funded the